Nigeria has been encouraged to take up leadership position with a view to lay down good principles and good example for upcoming generations. Convener Stand Tall Africa Initiative, Dr. Emmanuel Oga, stated this in Abuja at the graduation ceremony of Leadership Development and Capacity Building Practical Entrepreneurship and Value Addition, Education Development, and Consultancy.
And talking about institutional and public service leadership, yes, we are at least getting close to the point. But leadership generally in Nigeria, I think we still need to work more. We still need to see how we can bring in innovation, bring in creativity to see that we get it right. But for now, I think we are not there.
In his address to graduates, Oga explained that good leadership is about service delivery and loyalty, saying many African leaders have been bedeviled by monetary values attached to service delivery without attachment to apprenticeship. Stand Tall Africa Initiative boss further said that research shows that many businesses fold up within 5 years within the continent of Africa as a result of poor management or leadership.
Leadership in Nigeria is actually a challenge. We have not gotten it right yet when it comes to leader, particularly the political landscape, where we have a lot of presence within in the corridor of leadership, but they don't have the capacity to deliver.
He therefore admonished the graduates against disloyalty in the line of duty, adding that leadership traits begins with the services an individual is ready to render to the society.
People should go out there and give quality service because quality service pays. Yeah, it's the greatest step to whatever attainment in life anybody can ever get.
Look at ourselves as being a leader, but we go there to embezzle money, we go there to destroy what we are supposed to build. But here we are in Stand Tall. We have been able to find out that is not who a leader is supposed to be. A leader is supposed to render a quality service with or without money.
From Abuja, Rotimi Adewoye, News Up.